Let's learn about recycled fiber. The new fiber that comes directly from the forest or sawmill to the paper industry cycle is known as virgin fiber. Recycled fiber begins its life as virgin fiber from harvested wood that is recovered for reuse within the paper cycle. Therefore, virgin fiber and recycled fiber are linked into one overall system, and recycled fiber could not exist without the virgin fiber from which it originates. Paper is defined as being recovered when someone separates paper from other parts of the waste stream. It is then defined as recycled when the industry uses that recovered paper as a raw material to make new paper. Of all recovered paper, 50% is recycled to make new paper. Of the remaining amount, roughly 80% is landfilled and 20% is burned for energy generation. The relative degree of utilization of recovered paper and thus the overall effects of recycling, however, are harder to estimate. This is because recovered paper has a number of competing uses. So, let's look at energy co-benefits and trade-offs between using virgin fiber and recycled fiber as a raw material. Recycling mills generally require less total energy, that is, both the fuel used at the mill and purchased electricity, than mills that use only new virgin fiber for pulping. If we look at fossil fuel requirements rather than total energy demand, however, the differences in fossil fuel use are usually much smaller. If energy recovery from the burning of used paper products is considered along with the virgin pulp mill, then the differences in total energy use between virgin and recycled systems are reduced, but usually not eliminated. Now let's look at wood use co-benefits and trade-offs between using virgin fiber and recycled fiber as a raw material. Recycling reduces demand for virgin wood fiber. New fibers do find their way into the recycled stream, however, because over time the length and strength of recycled fibers diminish, and in the end these fibers end up in the solid waste stream, and therefore they need to be replaced with fresh fiber over time. Reduced demand for virgin fiber does not necessarily directly translate into reduced pressure on forests. Pressures to convert forests to non-forest use may increase if the market for wood fiber declines. Now let's look at air emission co-benefits and trade-offs between using virgin fiber and recycled fiber as a raw material. The emissions at the mill site for virgin fiber mills are greater than those for recycled fiber mills. However, when the emissions associated with purchased electricity are included, the differences between virgin and recycled mills essentially disappear, except perhaps for virgin newsprint mills. In terms of the industry's performance in recovering paper for use as recycled fiber raw material, the rate of recovery has steadily grown over time. The industry has also placed increased focus on recovering waste material from recycling processes to generate other products. There are challenges in increasing the recovery and recycling of paper fiber. The increase in offshore markets for recovered fiber has led to a significant increase in exports to countries outside North America. This continues to be a challenge for the industry in terms of securing a strong domestic supply of recovered fiber raw material. Although municipal paper recovery programs continue to expand, there are financial challenges for smaller communities to set up these types of approaches. How can we enhance the use of recovered fiber in the paper system? The US and Canada continue to increase paper recovery rates. Recovered fiber is almost entirely fully utilized. Some paper grades use recovered fiber more efficiently than other grades, but in the end, the yield of fiber is reduced with every pass through the recovery system. Increasing paper recovery is the key to improving the efficiency of the use of recycled fiber within the paper cycle. Even at the highest possible recovery rate, however, the paper fiber cycle will continue to require significant inputs of virgin fiber to continue to produce paper. Learn more about this subject by clicking on the links on this website.